The people want Honda content. Jackson Racing Charger. This thing got a Jamie Marsh tune. Absolute savage. Jamie, this car made more than my car. Do a burnout?
Get them tires roasting.
You get off the dyno and don't know how to act, huh? So
you gotta put it through its paces.
I want you to beat on it. We are making sure the car is dialed. What up guys? In today's video we are gonna tune my Laguna Blue EG hatch. Last time you guys seen the car was all motor, had ITBs. I figured I had a supercharger laying around, so I wanted to make supercharger content. Basically same setup as my ITR. I don't know what charger's on the car because I kind of got it with a car that I purchased a long time ago. Jackson Racing Charger, Mercs Racing Kit. As a full K20 Type R swap from valve cover to oil pan, bone stock, RSX Type R transmission. I'm hoping to make like 320 on pump gas, 93. Jamie's here today. We're gonna get the car tuned and see what it makes. I honestly like the car better with the supercharger versus all motor, and it'll make a little bit more power. I'll show you guys the car, drop a montage right now before I show you guys the car, and then we'll see what it makes. I need you guys to do me a favor before we get this video started. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment. Really trying to grow this page as much as I can. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you. Son, what up? Let me get your horsepower guesses today.
I'm gonna guess 20R.
K20R full. I don't know if this is the same charger as my Type R, so I don't know. It has a Mercs kit on it too.
I'm gonna go with 350.
350 on 93?
On 93.
That's more than what I made.
Really?
Yeah, I made 320.
So I'm gonna go with 300 flat.
300 flat.
What you think, Jordan?
I think you're thinking about, because we tuned my car on E85.
Yeah.
I made 380, like 380-ish on E85.
Yeah, I'm a little rusty. I'm sitting on it. It's been a long off season.
Look at you,
We'll
huh?
be back, baby.
You guys, if you guys are watching right now, Jordan made me put up that Beamer content. I'm not a Beamer guy. I'm bringing the Honda content back to you guys.
Some other guys like that. They appreciate it. Something different, you know? And it was so beautiful.
Start asking for verbal tools on TV.
You did, right?
I did not ask for no
You
verbal.
asked for them off camera. I know you did.
Yo, the people want Honda content. The season is back, baby.
We are.
I need you to sell your car, get some type of SI or FK8, something. This is not it. The whole shop owns Beamers now. pretty much.
True, yeah.
Yo, Jamie, so your final guess, 300?
I'm gonna say 300.
I'm with you on that. I'm gonna go 310 just because it's nice out today. What you thinking, J-Rock? Injectors clean?
It's nice weather. Probably like, I'm gonna say 292.
292?
Yeah.
It's a pretty good guess. I'm mad. What you saying? He said Jamie had a long off season. He's going 290.
He's not lying.
The disrespect. Jackson Racing Charger. Like I said, I don't know anything about this charger. It was used. I put it on the car. Runs good. It does not make the same noises as my car, but I don't know why. Mine just makes a lot of noise. Maybe mine is broken.
We've had like what, at least like 3 or 4 with the same setup, and they don't sound like yours. I think yours is probably blown.
Drop in the comments right now, what do you guys think it'll make for power? My personal ITR made 320 on 93 pump. Jamie, we tuned my car maybe like probably 3 years ago.
Like
3-4 years ago I tuned my car. So my car made 380 on E85.
Yo,
let me guess. Did you check the injectors? Let me guess.
Let me guess. There's supposed to be a fuel pump.
Are
in
the
this
spark
car,
plug
right?
gap?
I honestly, I'm gonna have to pull the plugs and I'm probably gonna have to pull the fuel pump just to see what pump is in there. The thing is, you guys that are watching, it's been so long, these cars just sit in the garage, but you touch this, you touch that. You don't forget what injector size are in every car.
I definitely forget. I can't even remember what underwear I put on this morning.
Also wanted to apologize to you guys. I haven't uploaded regularly because I just have a lot of personal stuff going on in my life. Haven't touched anything in the shop. The car is still sitting the way it is. I'm slowly getting my stuff back together. Honda Day is coming up. We are going to Honda Day. The season is just beginning for us, but I will try my best to get back to regular content for you guys pretty soon. Hope you guys enjoy this video, but let's get into the Supercharged content. Yo, Jamie, what's the plan for this season?
You really want me to say it on camera?
What's the plan?
Everybody up.
Okay, I like that.
Everybody.
Somehow, some way.
You're the one that orders all the parts. I just put them in.
Yo,
So
somehow,
if I didn't
some
get
way,
brand new
we're
spark
pulling
plugs, I'm
plugs,
not putting them in.
fuel pump, cleaning injectors on a dyno. Somehow, some way, you're working on a dyno.
I like to work harder, not smarter.
Did you notice something new in the shop?
Oh, I noticed something new, alright.
My brother's OCD.
I could comb my hair and this shit.
You don't even have any hair. My brother's OCD kicked in and powder coated the dyno plates.
First I thought it was Armor All. Then I'm like, wait a minute, I'm not sliding.
Yo, Jamie walks in and he's like, "What's something's different about this shop?" And my brother coated the plates.
Can't leave a med by himself for fucking too long.
In here.
It's crazy.
So,
I just cracked the
fuel filter.
open.
My brother don't learn his lesson.
I told you don't do that, bro.
Don't put that.
Check
It's
that.
too
That's
small
old.
of a filter.
That filter looks like it's from 2000.
It came off of your car.
That's why I took it off.
Car is dropping fuel pressure, so we are either gonna change the filter out right now, see if that helps, and then if it's not that, we're gonna be changing a fuel pump. I'm pretty sure this car has a fuel pump in it.
And what we're gonna do originally, or initially, is a fuel filter delete just to test it out.
It can't be the pump. I didn't hear it whine too much.
You got a filter on it.
Do you guys think that shit whine? I don't think it whine. It sounded like it was all motor.
What are you talking about? I heard that one from back there.
You just saying that. You heard a whine, Kev? My brother tried to set you up, Jamie.
He did, again.
He tried to set you up. Wasn't bad first pull. I wonder how much that thing made. Where we at?
314, baby.
314?
Yeah.
Jamie, I'm gonna have to retune my car.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to retune my car. 314.
That should look good.
Yo, it's like the same. I made 320 on my car on pump, and that was first pull 314. I'm gonna retune my shit. I think my car is gonna make like
But you pull the filter off, it makes 325.
Oh, the intake filter?
Yeah.
We'll try it. We'll try it towards the
You know
end.
the crazy part is, this car only has a 2.5-inch exhaust. Your car got a 3-inch.
Don't disrespect my car now, all right? Don't disrespect my car. That could be maxed out.
Because you don't use your car.
You ever heard when you don't use it, you lose it?
Look at you, not rusty after all, huh? 314 horsepower, first pull. Like I told you guys, my car, stock K20R, same setup as this. Like I said, I don't know what charger's on what. My car made 320, I want to say 3 years ago. I'm assuming this will end up almost damn near the same. This is a stock K20R crank pulley. I know if we put like a 241, it might make a little bit more boost, but that's 7 pounds of boost. All right, here we go, second hit. I need you guys to pause this video, drop in the comments, what do you think the final dyno numbers are gonna be? I think it's gonna end up somewhere near my Type R. 320, 321. Pretty much identical. My Charger ain't blown. Maybe it might be blown.
You could put a bigger pulley on there and take the intake filter off, and I bet you it'll make like 350.
350?
No, not 350. Maybe like 340. You don't think so?
Nah, I think like 330.
With a bigger pulley, more boost? What are you talking about?
I don't know. 320 is good power.
Nothing with dusty. Damn, bro.
Disrespect. 320. How much power do you think that was?
Like 320?
Exactly. 321. It might give my Type R a run for its money. Yo, look, it's a K series on the dyno. What you gotta say? What you gotta say to those J series guys?
It's still slow.
Nah, that's cheating. That's cheating.
How's that cheating? If I'm not mistaken, your car doesn't even have a filter on it.
My car doesn't have an intake. They're about to remove the intake tube from the bottom because I have a filter, like a cold air intake with this mesh around it. So just in case, like if it rained or whatever. That's cheating though.
No, it's not.
Imagine this shit picked up 10.
All the YouTubers are gonna pull their filters.
This does not feel like it's not that restrictive.
No, that's not. This is just for water. It's like a pre-filter.
I'm gonna say it's good. I'm gonna say it's good for 5. But don't be out there rocking with no intakes.
Yeah, how many people are gonna pull their filters?
Everybody.
Power. I might pull the filters off the M3.
Oh, it went down.
318. You made us lose power.
I lost power.
Don't take your intakes off, boys and girls. They set you up again. They took the filter off and it lost power.
There we go. Put it back on.
He is. He's literally doing that right now.
Kev said your supercharger needs bearings.
Who's?
Yours.
No, it doesn't. Mine. I think I just got a better charger. I don't know. I think mine might be broken, but who knows? My shit whines. 3 horsepower. I convinced my brother to take this car down the block. Just let me get a rip for the boys. I want you to beat on it.
No, I really.
Beat on it.
I'm not a fan of the shift box.
Beat on it. Make sure the car is good. Make sure the car is great. If you don't want to beat on it, let me beat on it. I'll make sure that the car is good. Let me hear the charger. I don't hear that charger. To Jamie, man, that dude is an animal. If you guys need your cars remote tuned, he does remote tuning. I swear, what was it? What do we do? 3 pulls?
3 pulls and it's done.
Yo,
The thing I love about the Type R case swap, you can beat the shit out of them all day long and they take it.
Jamie, absolute savage. Only person I know can tune a car in 3 pulls.
And it sounds fucking good. I like it.
I told you guys, if you guys need any remote tuning, hit Jamie up. My boy, all day, all night, no matter what country you're in.
Let's do what?
Do a burnout.
You do a burnout? Yeah. I'd say it's only right. Yo, J-Rock, burnout, right? You agree? Burnout? Yeah, I'm with that.
Burnout? Oh.
Burnout.
That shit got my boy horny.
Second gear burnout.
Second gear? The tires are gonna be cooked after
not.
second gear.
You gotta tell them, bro.
Cooked.
You need that mile an hour in a second. Get them tires roasted.
Yeah, you need water? You got this. This is too clean of a car to be doing a burnout in. It sounds great, but the car is just, it looks too clean to be doing a burnout. You get off the dyno and don't know how to act, huh?
It's because of you.
It's because of me.
You and J-Rock.
I think the neighborhood knows that it's springtime.
It's race season, baby.
We're back.
And those of you guys that are watching and be like, hey, you guys are beating on the car. We are making sure the car is dialed in.
Who wants to build a car and then just put it away to look at it? Like, you gotta get full enjoyment out of a car.
We are making sure this car is very well built.
Yeah.
So
You gotta put it through its paces, every single pace. And
it survived the burnout, it survived the dyno, and it survived the pull. That's all you need, baby.
That's a good day.
This thing got a Jamie Marsh
Now if we could
tune.
just get you to race, that would be a better day.
Hey. Final horsepower number 321. Shout out to Jamie. Jamie, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.